This 5-minute solution will show you how to change email address on Amazon account on iPhone. To update your Amazon account email address, follow these simple steps. Open your Amazon app, tap on account icon, tap on your account. Under account settings, tap on login and security, and here you will get your email address. All you have to need, just tap on edit next to your email address, and here enter your new email address. Note one thing, that you have to verify your new email address. You will get a verification code to the mail. So tap on continue. Now go to your new email, and here you will get the account verification mail. All you have to just copy this code, verification code, and paste it here. Tap on continue. Then to confirm, enter here your Amazon account password and tap on save changes, and your Amazon account email address will be changed. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.